Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Weekly Dose of AI. This is your go-to show for staying updated with the most exciting advancements in artificial intelligence. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or just curious about the latest breakthroughs, we have got something for you. Today, I will take you through 8 amazing updates that are redefining the AI landscape. From smarter tools for developers to groundbreaking models, there is so much to unpack. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with the Web LLM Assistant. This tool is a smart search assistant that works seamlessly with local AI models like llama.cpp or ollama. Here is the magic: when you ask it a question, it first uses its local model to generate a response. But if it does not have enough context or cannot answer, it taps into the web to search for up-to-date information. This unique combination makes it an ideal solution for blending offline AI with real-time online data. Setting it up is straightforward. First, download the code from GitHub, then create a virtual environment, install the required package, and configure your AI model, whether it's Llama or Ollama. The best part, it does not rely on external APIs for web searches. Instead, it uses web scraping technique, which means you don't need any subscription or API to get started. This tool bridges the gap between offline AI capabilities and live data, making it incredibly powerful for developers. Want to give it a try? Check out the GitHub link in description. Next up is chatllm.cpp, an open source tool that lets you run advanced large language model locally on your CPU. If you have no GPU, no problem. With chatllm.cpp, you can explore models like chatglm 6 billion, Baichuan 2 and Llama without needing expensive hardware. It uses quantization technique like int4 and int8 to reduce resource usage while maintaining great performance. So even if you are on a lower end machine, you can still get the best out of these models. Another key feature is real-time text generation, perfect for creating dynamic interactive application. And if you are working with retrieval augmented generation or RAG, chatllm.cpp integrates seamlessly for smarter context aware outputs. This is an excellent choice for developers who want to experiment with large language models. This is an excellent choice for developers who want to experiment with large language models locally. Whether you are building a chatbot, conducting research, or just exploring the possibilities, chatllm.cpp has you covered. Check out its GitHub page to get started. Now let's talk about memory, but not the kind you are thinking of. I am talking about MemoryPy, a Python library that helps AI assistant manage memory like humans do. Think of it this way. We humans have short-term and long-term memories, and we forget things that are not important. MemoryPy brings the same concept of AI, making systems smarter and more adaptable. Here is how it works. MemoryPy uses memory decay to gradually forget irrelevant data, freeing up resources for more important information. It also employs prioritization, so high priority data always stays at the forefront. And then there is hierarchical memory, which organizes information in a structured way for easy retrieval. These techniques are inspired by how we process and store information in real life. To use it, you will need these dependencies, but once set up, it's a game changer for building intelligent systems. Imagine an AI that remembers past interactions, adapts to new situations, and becomes more context aware over time. MemoryPy opens doors to more personalized AI experiences and smarter automation. Matching images to text is not as simple as it sounds, especially when the text is long or detailed. That's where LLM to Clip comes in. It's an enhanced version of the Clip model, integrating large language models to handle complex queries with precision. For example, let's say you are working with the query, people on bicycle ride down a busy street. A general model might be struggle and return something random, but with LLM to Clip, the response is spot on. A group of people are riding bikes down the street in a bike lane. It understands context, detail, and nuances far better than the original Clip model. What's more, LLM to Clip is not limited to English. It supports multilingual dataset. So whether you are working in English, Spanish or other language, this model has you covered. It's perfect for tasks like image text matching, retrieve or captioning. With its ability to scale across multiple applications, LLM to Clip is a must try for anyone in vision language tasks. Explore its potential on GitHub today. Managing prompts for large language models can get overwhelming, especially as your projects grow. That's where Banks comes in, a Python library designed to simplify and streamline prompt engineering. Banks makes it easy to create reusable templates using Jinja. These templates can adapt dynamically to different use cases, whether you are building chatbot, research application or anything in between. It also lets you track versions, so you can experiment with changes without losing the original prompt. And if you are even struggle to keep your prompts organized, Banks allows you to add metadata, making retrieval and management effortless. All your prompts are stored on disk along with their metadata, so you never have to worry about losing track of them. It even integrates seamlessly with various LLMs, making it perfect for scaling projects efficiently. Whether you are an experienced developer or a beginner, Bank saves times, reduce errors, and enhance workflow productivity. Head to its GitHub repository and give it a try. Let's move on to DeepSeek R1 Lite preview. This model focuses on reasoning and problem solving, excelling in tasks like math, logic, and coding. What makes it unique is its transparency. It does not just give you answer but explain its reasoning step by step, so you can understand how it arrived at the solution. Its performance in benchmark is outstanding. For instance, on the math dataset, it scored an impressive 91.6% accuracy. It also performed exceptionally well on reasoning tests like AI 2024, surpassing competitors like OpenAI's O1 preview. In coding challenges like Code Forces, it outperformed other models, showcasing its versatility. DeepSeek is not just for researchers or developers, it's also ideal for education and other reasoning intensive applications. You can try it for free at chat.deepseek.com. If reasoning and transparency are what you need, this model is absolutely worth exploring. Now let's talk about something exciting in media creation, LTX video. This video generation model creates stunning 24 fps videos in real time with a resolution of SD. It's perfect for media creators, developers or anyone looking to produce high quality video content effortlessly. The secret lies in its DIT based architecture, which ensures seamless and efficient video production. What makes it even better in its accessibility. You can find it on GitHub if you prefer working with code, or you can use it on Comfy UI for a more visual workflow. And if you don't want to download anything, just head over to Hugging Face Spaces Playground and try it in the cloud. With LTX video, you can create everything from short films to dynamic animations. Its real-time performance combined with exceptional quality makes it a standout tool for video creators. Dive in and unleash your creativity today. Finally, let's talk about Samurai or Segment Anything model for zero-shot visual tracking with motion-aware memory. This tool is a game changer in object tracking. In the demo video, Samurai tracks a soldier running through a chaotic battlefield with explosion, smoke and rapid movement. Most models would lose track, but Samurai keeps its focus, accurately following the soldier despite all the distractions. Compared to baseline models like SAM2, its stability and precision are unmatched. It's a must-have tool for developers and researchers alike. Check it out on GitHub to see what it can do for your projects. And that's a wrap for this week's episode of Weekly Dose of AI. I hope you found these updates as fascinating as I did. AI is evolving so rapidly, and it's exciting to see these tools and models push the boundaries of what's possible. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more weekly insights. Let me know in the comments which update you are most excited about. I will see you next week with more incredible AI innovations. Until then, take care and stay curious.